Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is The Last Kind of People You'd Want as Your Neighbors. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they are actually talking about.
Today on Uncovered.
You know, damn well nobody called me Sit down. Just sit down. Get over.
Watch police put these two sisters in their place after threatening to kill their disabled neighbor and his 11-month-old daughter for no apparent reason.
Ain't nobody called the cops, kid. You talking about you said it? Ain't nobody called me. Ain't called no. You know, damn well nobody called me cops. Nobody called no. Stop.
Stop.
No, I'm not doing nothing with this.
Give me the bag.
It's my grandma's bag.
That's fine. I'll give it back later. Just give it for now. What's going on?
Stop playing with me. You said what's going on? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. All right, just hang up. You a cop caller. You a cop caller. You a cop caller. What happened? Like them dumb. You call the cops. Who calls the cops? You doing all that throwing bottles and but you don't touch me.
Just
I'm
tell
not.
me
Don't
what's
touch
going
me.
on.
No, I don't want to talk to
You're
you.
gonna get locked and walk off. Be gone. Bye.
Come on. Man. Man. You gotta go. You gotta go. Come on.
Get away from me.
Oh, sorry.
Are you getting locked up?
Go.
Now you acting like you about something because these motherfuckers is here, but you ain't on the bro. Don't get your hands about something.
All right, get going. You going. Bye. Let's go. Out. Out. You get locked up. Go. Bye. Go.
First off, you
Leave.
give me back my back. Y'all ain't take her back when she was on Carpenter Street with a motherfucking back. So why you take my back?
Go.
So
Bye. You gonna get locked?
back. Who gonna get locked up?
Both of you.
No, I'm not.
You gonna keep going? I'll watch it. You ain't gonna stop. Go. You gotta go.
This is a cop, bro. Chill out.
Go. Look,
Don't
I'm giving you the opportunity to walk off. I'm literally giving you the opportunity to walk off. This is.
Bro, you can't, bro. You
I
can't
can.
tell us where we can. Bro, we're going across the street.
I don't give a f. Just go away. Bye. The road. You get out the road. Let's go. Come on. Figure it out.
After initially instructing the sisters to leave the area, the officers speak to the caller to learn more about the situation.
Hey, come here real quick. What's going on? What's this all about?
Apparently, they always want to come up and try to start fighting for no apparent reason. And I told them the last
beef
time.
or something? Or?
Before she even gets into what she got to say, I'm telling you right now, those two sisters have an attitude problem, and they have some misguidance in this world. Whatever the case may be, I mean, they clearly have no respect for authority or no respect for anyone in regards to this right here, right now. I mean, these are some young girls. This is an older woman right here. You got the cops who, naturally you would give them some, some respect, you know what I mean? But they are just asking for trouble, and I feel like that they have a hard life, and they also contribute to their life probably being even harder in the future.
Is there like past beef or something?
Yes, it is.
What's it about?
All these people, I got all these witnesses.
Right.
They ain't going to tell you no lie. I'll come out here, okay, yes, I do. I'll be drinking with my baby dad, and that's it. But every time they want to sit here and walk past, they want to act like they want to do something or act like they want to hit my child or my baby dad. You see my baby dad, he's disabled.
Who's your child?
My child's Kalila.
Are they like the same age or something? Or like how young are they? They look
They
young.
about like 20 and 18.
They're 20?
Yes, my daughter is 11 months.
Jesus.
Yes, I be getting multiple messages from them. Talk about, I'm gonna kick over your baby stroller, I'm gonna sit on your baby, I'm gonna do this and that to you and your child. I've been calling y'all, and every time they say press charges, I be pressing charges on her. Nothing happens. She has a case pending. She's not supposed to be down this way. She's supposed to be either in Pennsville, no, Curtis Point, or in Philly. Her mom lived on 49 Carpenter Street.
Alright.
And they've been told her to stay away from us, but she don't.
Well, we'll hang out, because if she's going to continue, she's going to get locked up. Just don't say nothing back, all right?
I've been trying to. Every time I'll walk my baby to my grandma's house for me to go to work. They'll try to follow me, this, that, and the third. I'm tired of it. I asked somebody to watch my baby dad just in case an incident just like this happened.
All right. Well, we'll hang out in the area.
He was like, I'll punch you in your face. She's like, punch you in the face. She's like, him, this, and that. She like.
I also give her credit for taking care of a disabled person, because whether they were I would assume when they got together, he probably wasn't disabled, and then probably something happened to where he is now disabled, but she's still sticking by his side. I don't know, but that would be my guess, because I don't think you would just get with a disabled person like from the get-go. Listen, don't kill me in the comment section. I'm just keeping it real from my perspective. Listen, hey, y'all do y'all. You know what I'm saying? You do you.
We ain't gonna punch him in the face. He can't defend himself. Yeah. So she was like, come at somebody with arms. She was like, well, try to get up. Try to come at me. Try to do this and try to do that. Why are you coming at my baby dad? He's disabled. Right. Come at with somebody that can move. Yeah. All these people right here will tell you that they constantly come at me.
Right.
Oh yeah, they were trying to jump her, and that's like that. Oh no, yeah.
I constantly want to try to jump me and stuff. I don't want to fight. Yes, I don't. But if somebody's going to try to come at me with 2 more people, I'm going to defend myself. Because why?
So, who's at 332? Are those girls arguing with those up there, or like?
While the deputies speak to the victim, they notice the sisters engaging in aggressive behavior with some other neighbors in the area.
No, they just want to be nosy. They just want to start beefing loud and this and the third.
Staging in the area.
She has a case pending right now because she brought a gun to my grandma's house talking about she going to use off. But when the cops stopped her, they didn't find her with the gun, but they found the gun.
Yeah. Okay.
So she got locked up for I don't know how many days or whatever, and then they released her and said that she got a court case pending.
Yeah, we'll hang out in the area.
Everybody is right. I do not want to fight because it's not going to do I'm telling you this right now, because if they going to keep coming at me, somebody's going to wind up getting hurt. Right. All them glass bottles right here, they kept throwing at us. Talk about fight. The glass bottles right here, the glass bottles right there, they almost hit my baby dad's side. To block them and hit me on my knee, they was throwing hella bottles. Getting off the step right there. But I don't understand.
The officers notice the sisters getting increasingly aggressive with other neighbors. At this point, they've had enough of their obnoxious behavior.
You're under arrest.
Act right. Let's go.
Get up. Okay, back up. I'm not going to tell you again. Back up. Ow. My sister. Grab my phone.
I got it.
No, give it to her. Okay, I'm going to give it to you. Why the f did you do all that? Don't touch me. I got it.
All right.
Exactly.
Come on.
I can't see. You fix my things so I can see.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do, and then you told me not to.
No. What are you doing? I'm going to court. What are you talking about? Exactly. They do. Bro, and they can't say that because I didn't do nothing. Yeah, what is done? He talking about dumb. Take that. Talking about stay back so you can slam me on my head. We have an ass on. We just sitting on the head. Stand back.
You want this side first?
I don't need your help. I got it.
Care.
I don't need your help.
Get out.
I'm getting out. I don't need your help. Why are you being so aggressive?
Stop pulling away.
Get the f off of me.
One stick in, do all the sex.
Get the f off me. Why are you getting the f head right now? Don't touch. Why are you taking stuff from my pockets? What the f is wrong with you? Alright.
Spread your legs.
Bro.
Spread your legs.
Ow!
Keep them spread, or we're gonna do it for you, okay? If you comply, this don't need to be no more, okay?
You're hurting me! I can't!
Stop it right now.
Stop! You're hurting me! And just comply! I can't!
She ain't acting right. She ain't acting right, man. If you don't want to act right, they gonna get you together, man. That's why he body slammed the ass. Bow! Hit her with one of them WWF moves, man.
Stop me!
Oh, don't pull her up. Here's what we're gonna do.
Stop!
Here's what we're gonna do.
Stop me! You're hurting me!
Listen.
No! Get off of me!
This can stop.
Get
What I'm
off of me!
Listen, I'm gonna uncuff you and send you to the bench, but stop moving. Go ahead and take this cuff off.
Oh! If y'all want to cuff, I would have y'all up. I swear to God. Get the ow!
Okay, now relax.
Get off of me!
Sit down. Just sit down.
Get off! Get off of me!
You have to have one cuff down. I'm gonna fix them if you stop moving. Stop moving, and I'll fix them.
Get off!
Go ahead, step out for me, ma'am. Now listen, I have to escort you in, okay? So I am gonna hold your arm. Watch your elbow.
Oh, she's a lot more reasonable. Okay. She learned from her sister. She got her
Make it
act
first
together,
right.
huh?
Bro, where's my phone and my shoes? It's in her car.
It's all in. Stop. Do me a favor, face the wall. Yes, no, this one right here. Right, thank you. Hang tight right there, Maxwell, come here. This female's gonna search you, okay? Put your hand up on the wall for me. When I uncuff this one, you're gonna do the same thing.
Everything in your pockets is gonna prick you or stick me.
Yeah. Alright.
And you broke my phone.
Spread your legs just a little bit for me. There you go.
Weird. Oh.
Relax.
Alright, you don't gotta do all that.
There you
You don't
go.
gotta do all that.
Policy. I don't need you to tell me how to do my
I said
job.
what the f I want to say. Whatever. What you talking about?
That's why you're sitting.
I said what the f I want to say.
Go right in there. Believe you're gonna get it back, okay?
Dusty ass.
One second. Calm down. Here's this one.
The suspects were each arrested for aggravated menacing, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. If you enjoy
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.